Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an Ulta haul of things that I got, but they're also good holiday gift ideas. So if you want to see what I got and those ideas, then just keep watching. Okay, so I want to go ahead and say now, if you're family, please don't watch this. They are your gifts. Don't ruin it for me. So let's go ahead and jump into what I got. A couple of these things I did just buy for myself. I know. So let's just go ahead and do gifts first, and then we'll do what I bought for myself. So the first thing I got is this Gucci cologne. It is Pour Homme, I think. Come on. Focus. It's too distracted. Anyways, I got this because I wanted the free gift that came with it, and I like getting cologne for guys. So this is what it is. I think this is so cute. I don't know why, but I love the smell of this. Which, this is going to be a gift for my dad. Just debating on if I should say that. He doesn't watch my videos. So it's just a Gucci cologne. Oh, I'm gonna give you prices. Hold on. Let me pull up my receipt. So I don't know how long it's gonna go on, but when I bought this, perfumes or colognes came with a gift. So I got a robe that I gave to Mike. He's been complaining about wanting a robe. Since it was free, can't pass it up. And he says it's really soft. Anyways, this was $73. It's a 1.6 ounce. Yeah, let me see if it tells me what the notes are or whatever. So fragrance notes, the top is bergamot and violet, middle is leather, sweet tobacco, amber, black pepper, and the base is patchouli, cedarwood, and amyris. I don't know how to say those. So I actually think this smells really good. So this is definitely a good gift. For me, when you don't know what to get somebody, I feel like cologne and perfume are always good. However, you have to know what they smell like and like smells that they like. So if you can't figure out something, like for me, I know what my dad likes. I know smells that I've smelled before from him, and this does smell like stuff he's had prior. I don't think he's ever actually had this specific one. If you don't know, there is a lot of like gift sets of perfume and cologne that I think are really good options. I don't have one on here, but I know like Sephora has like a cologne and perfume collection where it's like at least maybe 10 different ones that you can try. I don't think Ulta does that, but I know Ulta has like gift sets that's like a cologne or like a lotion with it, or for girls it's like, you know, lotion or bath body or something. So those I feel like are always good options for, you know, if you don't know somebody. Or actually, where is it? Here we go. Last year I bought myself this, and I think they still have it again this year, where it's these little babies from Marc Jacobs, and it comes in a collection. If I can find it, if they are doing it again this year, I'll link it down below. If not, I'll give you an option that's kind of similar, but it's where they do two little minis as a collection, but they're two different smells. So that way, you know, you're bound to have them like at least maybe one of them. And then they're normally like, I want to say $25. So it's also not necessarily breaking the bank. Let's move on. So something simpler I got, something simple I got for somebody who's not necessarily into makeup, but you want to still shop at Ulta, whether you don't have the money and you want to use, you know, coupons you have from them or money off that you have from them. Things as simple as like chapstick. This is for my sister. Again, it depends on ages too. So my sister does not really wear makeup, but I thought these were cute because they're chapsticks, but they're also like, they've got pictures, or not pictures, faces and stuff on them. So I thought they'd be cute and age appropriate. So I got these, and let me see. I want to say these are fairly cheap. These are $12. Another thing that you could do, just because people always like it, this actually though, I bought for myself. It's scrunchies, but these are like thin scrunchies. They're not thick at all. So really, I guess they're hair ties. They call them solid and print mini jersey twisters. So it comes with 5. There's these 3, this one, and the black one in my hair. And these are only $10. You know, if you're wanting to get like a little kit together for a girl or something, you could get like this, a small thing of chapstick. You know what I'm saying? Like you could build like a small kit, so it's still affordable and in a budget, but then it's more than one product, so to them it doesn't feel, you know, cheap and affordable. There's always some options, and I'm a huge fan of gift giving, but I realized this year it's not going to be as easy for a lot of people to give gifts with, you know, the virus making people lose jobs and things like that. So if you're kind of like me and your love language is gift giving, but you don't have the money, things some little like this that then you buy 3, like let's say I was able to spend 30 bucks per person, I could get these 2 things and something else, and so to them it feels like they're getting more because there's more items, but it's not hurting your bank. So the other item I bought for my sister is this because I thought it was really cool. It's called Beauty Gems Dazzling Nail Art Kit. It says it is a $600 kit, or piece kit, I mean. It retails for $19.99. It comes with 8 nail art pens, 318 nail gems, 5 nail decal sheets, 3 glitter pots, 20 nail polish remover pads, and 1 nail brush. So I thought this would be really fun and cool. Even if you could, like, I feel like, I don't know, it depends on the age group. I feel like anymore, these freaking kids are doing adult things and like getting their nails done every 2 weeks like I do, and like, I don't know, it's just so weird to me. Like back in the day, I would never have thought of being able to go do that. So I would have painted my own nails. Okay, another gift I got for someone is a MAC vault. There's 2 prices on here. So it says $74.50, but then it's crossed off and says $55.87. So I think $55.87 must be what I paid. Oh my gosh, are they not offering it anymore? I click on it and it says the product's not available. Okay, this might not be available anymore. By the time you're seeing this, I will have done more research, and if it is still available, I'll link it down below. If it's not available, I'll find something similar and link it down below. But it's just a vault. Let me take it out. So I have some family members who you don't catch them without lipstick of some sort on. So I thought this would be a really good idea. So it just comes like this, and you take it off, and it is a vault of mini matte lipsticks. There are 12 of them. Yeah. This is the range of colors that it comes with. So I thought this was really cute. I didn't realize that it was 50 some dollars. 50 for minis. Like, let me take one off if I can get it. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is so cute. Actually, this one matches my nails. And then this is how much it gives you. So honestly, for a mini, that's actually not bad. It gives you quite a bit of product. It's just the sizing of the diameter of it is small, but I think this is a really, really cute gift idea. Now I am psycho, and even though this is 50 some dollars, it's not enough. I will still be getting her one other item. I told you, gifting is my love language, and I feel uncomfortable when I get somebody one gift. I know that's ridiculous, it's just I can't help it. Although, I'm giving some people just one item this year. I just have a problem, okay? I have a shopping problem. Anyways, let's move on. So this could be a gift idea. I'm sure some people would enjoy it, but I got this for myself. This is the original makeup eraser treasure box 7-day set. It retails for $25. So this is what it is. When you open it up, it's just the makeup eraser wipes, but they're just in this small size. So I got these because of my problem with my back. I'm not able to really bend very well to wash my face at the sink with water. So I tend to just use a makeup wipe, actually a couple of them, to get my makeup off. And so I was thinking of using these because I could sit here, I could go get these wet before I come and sit down, and then I could still do cleanser and then use this to get the cleanser off. So that's my thought process, but I think these would be really good for eye makeup because they are so small. I think these would actually be a good gift because there is 7 of them. If you don't know what these are, they are reusable makeup removing wipes. You're supposed to be able to just add water to them and then they are removing wipes. Okay, I got 2 more things. So the next one, which again, this one is crossed off with a different price. So this is the ColourPop Voulez-vous? Voulez-vous? I don't know, I don't speak French. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? Anyways, this is the Ultra Glossy Lip Vault. So it says $33, but then that's crossed off and says $28. So I think that's what it's currently at, is $28. And it just comes with all of these shades. Come on. There we go. I have not tried these yet. I don't believe I've tried any of ColourPop's lip glosses, except for like the collaboration they did with Kathleen. I've tried that. Actually, is it even the same formula? Does it say anywhere? Oh, it does. Ultra Glossy Lip. So it is the same formula. Then in that case, I do like this formula. So I'm excited to try it. It looks like you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sparkly and 1, 2, 3 not sparkly. This one's kind of a middle, but I like these colors and they are so cute. And again, for somebody who loves lips, this would be a good idea. And if you can't afford something like the MAC, this one is only $20-some. 23, did I say? I don't know, memory issues. Like, should I give this to somebody? I bought this for me, but I don't wear lips that often. Nah, it's for me. Okay, last item. So this is a skincare brand that I have seen advertised so much. So I first saw it because I always tend to go through Ulta's like just arrived, or can't remember if that's what it's called, or new, I don't remember, that category. Just scrolling to see what it is, and I saw this company pop up and I just thought, oh, that sounds cool. But I'm not huge into skincare, if I'm being honest, so I didn't see the point of buying it just because I'm not huge into skincare. And then it's like it just kept following me and I kept seeing ads everywhere for them, and so I'm like, fuck it, let's try it. So it is by Beekman 1802 is the brand, and it is this little, it's not little, this is big. It is a collection, like a, what do you call it, like a gift set. So it retails for $65. It's called the Skincare Stars 7-Day Set. Let me just read the back to tell you what's in it. It comes with sample sizes, or like, you know, the like step up from sample, because when I think of sample, I think like the little flimsy papers that have barely anything on them. So it's a step up from that. But it comes with the Better Milk Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm, Milk Wash Exfoliating Jelly Cleanser, Milk Mud Warming Clay Mask, Milk Foam Calming Bubble Mask. They like a lot of milk stuff, huh? Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum, Milk Drops Probiotic Ceramide Serum, and Bloom Cream Probiotic Moisturizer. Sorry. I've been watching V-Wars on Netflix, so I've got blood in my brain. Anyways, that said bloom, not blood. So like I said, it's $65. So when you take this off, it comes kind of like an advent calendar almost. So it's got 1 through 7 of all the products. So let's go ahead and take this out. I love this packaging. Like, I really want to keep it as decoration, honestly. Okay, let's just go ahead and do number 1. And if you are from the vlogs, let me know. I already showed this. Actually, now that I think about it, this video might go out before that does. So whoever had to package these for a living or for work, I commend you. I opened this just to look at one and could not for the life of me figure out how to get it back in. Like, it was like a game of Tetris. Like, I know now, but oh my gosh. Anyways, so number 1 has the Buttermilk Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. Why is that a mouthful? This is what the packaging looks like. And then it is just, like it said, makeup melting balm. So I'm excited to try that. I like melting balms, but a lot of times I feel like they sting my eyes. So we'll have to give that one a try and see how it works. I don't know why I'm putting this back. Okay, let's go to number 2. Jeez. Just dropping everything. Okay, this one is the Milk Wash Exfoliating Jelly Cleanser. Come on. This is 0.5 fluid ounces that comes with it. So maybe we'll do a whole separate video trying these products. That'd be fun. Let's do that. That's a plan. So look for that in the next week or so. We'll do a video just trying all these products. All right, number 3 is the Milk Mud Warming Clay. So it's in the same kind of pot as that other one. What does it look like? Is it colored? Ooh, it's literally like clay, like actual, like when I think of clay, I don't know why, but I think of like the hard stuff. It doesn't really have a smell. Interesting. That'll be fun to play with. I think the only thing that sucks about this is like there isn't any detail on how to use it on the product, but I'm sure it's on the back. Nope, just ingredients. So some of them, oh, it says how to use all of it. Some of the products, like the exfoliating one that I just pulled out, it had directions on it, but the 2 that I pulled out that are just the round containers did not. I do see on the back though, it says how to use double cleanse with our makeup melting cleanser and then the exfoliating jelly cleanser. Then treat your skin with the Milk Mud Warming Mask, clay mask, or foam calming bubble mask. And then layer the eye serum and seal with hydration. So we're gonna definitely do a video on this. Okay, let's go to number 4. That is the calming bubble mask, which just kind of looks like the same container as the exfoliator. Okay, number 5. Oh, it's so cute. I love mini things. This is the Dewy-Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. Cute. I love mini products. Number 6. Ooh, she thick. Damn, this is heavy. This is glass. All the rest are plastic. All right, this is the probiotic serum or ceramide serum. This is like hefty. I like this one. Okay, number 7, last one. We have the Bloom Cream Probiotic Moisturizer. So I definitely think for a skincare lover out there, this would be a really great gift idea for them to try something new, or even somebody like me who isn't that into skincare but could use it. This is a good idea because maybe they're not so stuck in a routine that they have to use specific products, so then it'd be good for them to be able to try something new. So I definitely think this is a really great gift idea. Like I said, look out for the next week or 2. We will do a video trying all of these products. So yeah, that is everything that I got from Ulta. That is gifts for myself or others. If you want me to do more gift ideas, let me know down below, but that is all I have for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.